Fuel prices keep going up, and for a lot of drivers, filling up the tank feels more painful than paying the electric bill. But what if I told you that the average driver wastes hundreds or even thousands of dollars every single year just because of bad driving habits and poor maintenance? Studies have shown that simple changes in the way you drive and maintain your car can improve fuel economy by 20%, 30%, or even close to 50%. That means if you spend $300 a month on fuel, you could potentially cut that down to $150. In this video, we are going to reveal the 13 most effective methods to save up to 50% on fuel. Stay until the end because the tip number 7 could save you more fuel than almost any other trick on this list. Let's start with one of the easiest fuel-saving tricks. Trick number 13, the Eggshell Psychology. One of the smartest fuel-saving tricks is using what many drivers call the Eggshell Psychology. When you aggressively depress the accelerator, the engine control unit enters a power enrichment mode and starts dumping excess raw fuel into the cylinders to prevent overheating and maximize torque. According to data from the US Department of Energy, sensible driving can improve your gas mileage by roughly 33% at highway speeds and 5 to 10% around town. By imagining a delicate egg between your foot and the pedal, you force the transmission to shift at lower RPMs, keeping the engine in its brake-specific fuel consumption sweet spot. This is not just about being slow, it is about maintaining momentum and avoiding the high energy cost of overcoming inertia from a dead stop. Over a year, this habit alone can save the average driver over $600 in wasted fuel. Trick number 12. The 45 miles per hour switch point. One of the most overlooked fuel-saving techniques is understanding the 45 miles per hour switch point. The debate between using air conditioning and rolling down the windows is finally settled by the laws of fluid dynamics. At speeds below about 45 miles per hour, aerodynamic drag is relatively low, so driving with the windows down instead of using the air conditioner can save you a handsome amount on fuel. However, once you go above 45 miles per hour, wind resistance increases rapidly. Open windows create a lot of turbulence and drag, forcing the engine to work harder. At that point, using the air conditioner is often more fuel efficient than driving with the windows down. Many tests have shown that highway speed driving with the windows open can reduce fuel economy by up to 10%. Knowing this simple switch point can help you stay comfortable without wasting unnecessary fuel. Trick number 11, the sensor tuning secret. Modern cars rely on dozens of sensors to control fuel delivery, ignition timing, and air-to-fuel ratios. If even one important sensor starts giving inaccurate readings, your car can waste a huge amount of fuel without showing obvious symptoms. One of the biggest fuel-wasting parts is the oxygen sensor. A dirty oxygen sensor may send wrong information to the ECU, which may cause it to overfuel the engine to protect it from running lean, which can tank your efficiency by 20 to 40%. Mass airflow sensors, coolant temperature sensors, and throttle position sensors can also affect how much fuel your engine uses. The scary part is that many of these sensors can slowly fail over time without immediately turning on the check engine light. Professional mechanics often recommend scanning the car for hidden sensor issues every few months, especially if fuel economy suddenly gets worse. Until now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it for more amazing tips and tricks. Now, let's move to the next trick, which is the most immediate way to see double-digit gains in your MPG without touching a single tool. Trick number 10, manage your vehicle's profile. Your car is not a storage unit, but many people drive around with hundreds of pounds of junk in the trunk without realizing how much it hurts fuel economy. Extra weight forces the engine to work harder every time you accelerate, climb hills, or stop and go in traffic. Experts estimate that every extra 100 pounds in your car can reduce fuel economy by around 1 to 2%. That may not sound like much, but if you have heavy tools, sports equipment, bags, or random junk in your trunk all the time, the fuel loss can add up quickly. Studies shows removing external accessories like roof racks or cargo carriers can reduce the coefficient of drag by upwards of 25%, preventing the engine from working against unnecessary turbulence. Clean out your car and only carry what you actually need. Trick number 9. Idle reduction and thermal management. One of the most persistent myths in automotive care is the necessity of an extended warm-up period in the morning. Modern electronic fuel injection systems are designed to reach operating temperature most efficiently while under a light load, not while sitting in a driveway. Data suggests that an idling engine can consume between 0.2 and 0.5 gallons of fuel per hour without moving an inch. If you find yourself stationary for more than 30 seconds, whether at a long train crossing or waiting for a passenger, it is statistically more efficient to turn the engine off and restart it than to leave it running. In fact, excessive idling can lead to incomplete combustion. By practicing smart ignition habits and eliminating just 10 minutes of daily idling, you can improve your monthly fuel economy by roughly 5 to 8%. Respecting the thermal cycle of your engine is not just about saving money. It's about preventing the carbon buildup that eventually chokes your vehicle's performance. Trick number 8. Keep your tire pressure perfect. One of the biggest fuel-wasting mistakes people make is driving with underinflated tires. When your tires are low on air, they create more rolling resistance, which means the engine has to work harder just to move the car forward. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, underinflated tires can lower your fuel economy by up to 3% or more. If all 4 tires are significantly low, the fuel loss can be even worse. The scary part is that most drivers do not even realize their tires are low because modern tires can look normal even when they are underinflated. Always check your tire pressure at least once a month and before long trips. Use the pressure listed on the sticker inside the driver's door, not the number written on the tire sidewall. This simple habit can save fuel immediately. Trick number 7. Drive slower on the highway. A lot of people think driving faster on highway saves time and fuel, but in reality, high speeds burn a shocking amount of gas. Aerodynamic drag increases with the square of your speed, meaning that the power required to overcome air resistance at 80 miles per hour is significantly higher than at 60 miles per hour. According to Department of Energy statistics, every 5 miles per hour you drive over the 50 miles per hour threshold is equivalent to paying an additional $0.25 to $0.30 per gallon of fuel. By maintaining a steady cruising speed of 55 miles per hour instead of 75 miles per hour, a driver can reduce total fuel consumption by nearly 15 to 20% on highway trips. The faster you go, the more energy is spent simply pushing the atmosphere out of your way rather than moving the vehicle forward. Trick number 6. Strategic route topography. Traffic is one of the biggest fuel killers because it forces your car to constantly stop, accelerate, brake, and idle. Every time you use your brakes, you are effectively converting gasoline into wasted heat through friction. A study by UPS famously showed that by mapping routes to avoid left-hand turns, they saved 10 million gallons of fuel annually. Utilizing GPS apps like Google Maps that now prioritize eco-friendly routes can help you navigate the path of least resistance. Remember, climbing a steep hill requires a massive spike in fuel consumption that a slightly longer, flatter road avoids entirely. Trick number 5. Replace dirty air filters. A dirty air filter can quietly hurt your fuel economy without most drivers noticing it. The engine needs clean air to burn fuel efficiently, and when the air filter becomes clogged with dirt and debris, the engine has to work harder. In older vehicles, replacing a severely clogged air filter can improve fuel economy by up to 10%. Even in newer vehicles, a clean air filter can improve airflow, throttle response, and overall engine efficiency. Many drivers forget about the air filter for years, which means they are losing fuel economy the entire time. Air filters are usually inexpensive and easy to replace, making this one of the cheapest maintenance items you can do. A dirty filter can also make your engine feel sluggish and less responsive. Replacing it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles can help keep your car running smoother and using less fuel. Trick number 4. Use the correct motor oil. Using the wrong oil can increase friction inside the engine and reduce fuel economy. Modern engines are carefully designed to use specific oil viscosities such as 0W20 or 5W30. If you use oil that is thicker than recommended, the engine has to work harder because the internal parts cannot move as easily. Studies have shown that using the manufacturer's recommended oil can improve fuel economy by 1 to 3%. That may sound small, but over thousands of miles it can make a noticeable difference. Synthetic oils can also help because they reduce internal friction better than conventional oil. Using the wrong oil might not seem like a big deal, but it can slowly waste fuel every day without you even noticing it. Always check your owner's manual and use the exact oil grade the manufacturer recommends. Trick number 2, use the parking brake properly. A lot of drivers do not realize that driving with a partially stuck parking brake can seriously hurt fuel economy. If the parking brake is not fully released, or if the brake system is dragging, the engine has to work harder to move the vehicle. This creates extra resistance and can reduce fuel economy by a surprising amount. Brake drag can also overheat brake components and wear them out much faster. If your car feels sluggish, your wheels get unusually hot, or the car does not roll freely, it may be time to check the brakes. Fixing brake drag can instantly improve both fuel economy and vehicle performance. Trick number 1, make sure proper fuel cap sealing. Most drivers view the gas cap as a simple lid, but it is actually a critical component of your car's EVAP system. But if the rubber gasket on your cap is cracked, dry rotted, or not clicking into place, those vapors leak out silently while your car is parked. According to data from CarMD, a loose or damaged gas cap is one of the top reasons for a check engine light. A damaged fuel cap can also allow dirt, moisture, and debris to enter the fuel system, which may lead to more expensive problems later. The bottom line is, saving 50% on fuel is not about one big change. It's about the ritual of these small adjustments. When you treat your car with engineering respect, it rewards your wallet. Which of these are you going to try first? Drop a comment below, and if you have got a secret fuel-saving hack I missed, let the community know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't go broke at the pump.